Oh, somebody may actress. And this all here, I mean, I say, me come price, now wait to me, I'll come. So I want to media.
You want to say, I think they don't allow you to keep other people's sex. Is that true?
I told her talent before.
You see, only someone distracting me.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yes.
You are distracted there.
No, Korea say before Crown Pono. Mekane say me kwana me na manfo bi na ye YouTube adwuma. Enti enu say bi a YouTube adwuma de obi frɛ na se ne sika wɔ ani mu a me sika na me pɛ me mpɛ fɛ mu nko a. Enti so obi frɛ me na ne sika wɔ ani mu a awɔsa me kɔyɛ. Enti me nya opportunity bi kɔyɛ adwuma ma obi me ba ye nkɔfa na me na ɔmo yɛ adwuma mo ne ma nyɛ adwuma bi up till now.
Because when you are contract.
Akotwa. Yes.
They said they are not going to work with you again.
Ɔmo ne ma nyɛ adwuma bi.
Because
Akotwa. At that time, na me ne chinchin atwan mo any lake mo na ye adwuma. YouTube no. And I mean
chinchin atwan.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Timeko. And so I know na make us say that was the only challenge because at that time because it is so you wouldn't say am I not perfect because there's a certain rule me to me I am the best but obi obecha they are not good but at 20 so that was the only challenges I was having at that time. That is what I'm saying. So any challenge na mommy say hey and yes I think that this thing is not meant for me because I don't have that big ass, so I have to go and at least relax, continue my beautician thing. But maybe who say yes I need a talent because me name of you say me need to but it went viral. And then my TikTok videos, it went viral. Lilwin share many videos, it go viral. So it's just the talent, no say issues. So, me call Lilwin set so. That was the first time I Lilwin for me. Lockdown ni mo say me bra ni anya adwuma. Me call ya me buy me team ni ma anya adwuma bi.
They are one crowd one now trying to boss say obenya you are saying Africa.
Me obi a me ne wo ya adwuma me respect o pa. Even at that day ni kwa me call ye me can say when him frɛ omo me ne omo ya adwuma nti ono me do no no kwa bo fi say hey mami ma hu video like oh yeah dear me person brand o say me frɛ am for the numbers be brave why me so on frɛ like on frɛ try was like hey girl mama numbers be brave and o say the on frɛ and o ma no so manager here then e frɛ China send ko so o ma na mami go ahead and send me ko me call and that was all.
You couldn't get the chance to go back to your team again.
Oh man for my need maybe.
The other point, you know, why you say that you gave one?
Me reho me say me said them man me use because e ho na me team that time New York TV me need like James Kyinkyinatwan TV over me videos be brave because I started from there. Nti e ho ni je na say abeye eboa me twere no nti Lilwin dey wa friend me one time but only me koye adwuma makwa ba me team so mo ni me nya adwuma bi meti no me hia o mo concert o mo mfrɛ me o se be ya so na me ya the question again. Kwabagade me na me boano. Me na me boano. So no nim se me na me boano. Me na me boano hamburger.
Okay, so far, only we team up. One for game or what are some of the things?
Oh, Moka and some papa, no say videos when in your corner, we share what it major. The Lord has showed you a many year now. It means for Canada. It's different from should you be a say, you know, so who say, way a dear. You offer to Fred with Chaba, now your planets are, you know, and easy, it means that, and you. mpanyinfo bi frɛ bi fra abirikyi amankra do kokora ti bi frɛ sɛ kwame mo videos ɔmo ayɛ di ebi nsi da ati ase amanfo mo abirikyi na arrest G crime lot of musicians bi be frɛ so mo ayɛ adeɛ paa kyerɛ sɛ de mo ayɛ no ebi nsi da o G crime madam fo
Aduna boyo.
àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí mo mú mi nù ọ̀ dígà latest náà bọ̀ nù.
Anthony Shede. Ọmọ yẹ.
Ó tẹ̀ yín ó dẹ̀ ọwọ́ bọ̀. Video n ṣe video ẹ audio. Sáà.
Àmì ẹ̀fí adìẹ náà.
Wọ́n fà dé ní sẹ́nu. Audio ní sẹ́nu ẹ̀ màtí mẹ́ka àkyẹ́ nù. Mẹ́ka àkyẹ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ sẹ́nu.
Yes, okay, Nana Francis Osei breakthrough.